We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin. And today we are looking at a very bullish pattern. We're back in our crypto cave. So if you hear a humming noise, that is from my mining rigs. I have one mining rig built in a beer case, sitting 2 feet from me here, so I don't hear it because I got this noise canceling headset. But you might hear a little bit of a humming noise. I turned down the fans a little bit, so it should be all right. We're doing okay on temperature. And today we're gonna look at the bullish pattern that might be the trade of the century. Yeah, you heard me right. This pattern we are forming here might turn into a bullish bull flag, where we have both a triangle. We can also draw the bull flag as um, as um, more a square thing, a square flag. But right now I just have it drawn up as a triangle. Um, so then we might have this as our target, or we might even have this big thing here as our target. The pattern is not completed yet. We need more touches. But if we go down here and bounce here, up here, and start forming this flag, the breakout of this is not gonna be this, but the flagpole, which is gonna take us to an insane level. So be ready and follow this every day, because the closer we get, the more potential. The more we fall now, the bigger the potential for the upside. So I would not, well, if we go down here, I would not buy on the first test of this support, the retest of this support. That is not where I'm going to buy. Then I wanted to buy at the breakout of this line, or at the validation of the support. I might do a trade. If we find a trade pattern within the trade pattern, I might take the trade and then stay in the trade. But if we look at the RSI now, we are down at 44. We were a little bit overbought here at the top. RSI is resetting kind of nicely. So maybe we can sort of slope down towards this part. But this is looking good, because no matter how we do in the short run, we are still forming this very nice bull flag here, which can take us. Let's just see. Let's just see how far this can take us. If we break out, let's say we go down quite a lot now, bounce back and forth within this thing, and then we break out from here, like from the kind of bottom. That can take us over 50K. Yeah, you heard me right. We might go from 30K to 50K in a very short time. So that is looking bullish. But for now, we're just waiting. We're not doing anything. We can have all sort of patterns forming here. We can have closing wedge forming. We can have all these kind of things. So now is maybe the time to just wait and see which pattern we are forming, and then maybe try to, if we come down here, for instance, and there are some good patterns that we can trade, then we might enter the trade, and I might enter the trade. I'm not telling you what to do. And then I might stay in the trade and wait and see if this break or if it bounce off it. If it bounces off, I might sell and wait for it to go back here before I buy back in, and then maybe one more to the upside, see if we break it. If not, sell, and then wait for the breakout of this bull flag or triangle. So we just need to wait and see. Right now, maybe there are not that big trades to be made here on the, because it's only $2,000. Well, 1,500 from oh no, it's 1,000. Yeah, from yeah. I don't think we're gonna break it before, and maybe if we break it already today, it's a $2,000 trade from here and up here. But no, I'm not taking that one. Because we do set a lower low here. We did bounce off the 50 moving average, 50 hourly moving average. So let's see if we face some resistance here, because Bitcoin use the moving averages as support and resistance. So here we got support from the moving 50 average, and maybe we face some resistance. We did have this bull cross here. This is when uh, blue line crossed the pink line, when the 20 moving average crossed the 50 moving average. That is called bullish cross. So that's probably why we have this. And then we broke the neckline of the W V pattern, and we got all the way up here, kind of forming a new neckline for a double V pattern. So if we go up here and we cross this um, falling triangle here, descending triangle, and also break the cross of the neckline of the, let me just draw the double V pattern here just quickly. So it's like, yeah, it's very clear double V pattern. But we already sort of kind of played out this pattern, because that neckline was here, and then we went down, and then we broke it to the upside. Um, so that pattern sort of already played out, but we can play it once more if we break this neckline here now. But really, what we wish to happen is for the Bitcoin price to just go slowly down and up and form this huge bull flag pattern. So if we go down here and up here and down here and up here, that would be awesome. And that means one more thing if this happen. It really means that we are going into alt season, which means that Ethereum and other altcoins might go up quite a lot. I never hold altcoins because I can't see their future in the same way as I can see Bitcoin's future. Maybe Ethereum. There's a lot of smart people working on Ethereum, and my experience tell me go where the smart people are. So that is a tip. The other altcoins, 99% of them is going to be worthless. So keep that in mind. Altcoins, huge potential, huge risk. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I just opened the Bitcoin dominance, and as we see here, we have a falling triangle here on the Bitcoin dominance. So that's a descending line here. That suggests to me that people are moving into altcoins. So yeah, maybe we can see. I'm not sure how valid triangles and stuff like this is to determine where the Bitcoin dominance is going, but yeah, I've seen some people do it. So we might see here we kind of bounced from this line. So if we drop below this line, then that might be an indicator that people are pulling their money from Bitcoin to go into altcoins. So yeah, if we break that, it's probably a good idea to get into some altcoins. I'm not an altcoin expert, but I'm sure you can find some on YouTube that are all into altcoins. I mostly call them shit coins. Beside Ethereum, I'm not calling Ethereum a shit coin, but everything else. Um, so it's Bitcoin and Ethereum for me. I think that is it for today's update. I'll try to be back later today. From the next 2-3 weeks at least. I will try to do several updates every day. So stay tuned and thank you all for watching. And if you found any value in this, please smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you stay updated on this bear flag, not the bear flag, on the bull flag, on the daily and on the hourly, and let's hope we can make the trade of the decade. So see you all later and take care.